Alright, so what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So right now I'm at school, just finished school. So probably the last video I can actually record before I going to New York City. Yeah, and intro.
Hey you! Don't watch that! Watch this! This is the heavy monster sound! The nuttiest sound around! So if you coming up the street and you're beginning to feel the heat, well listen, Buster, you better start to move your feet to the rockiness.
哎，我操！你他妈就这么说英文？你妈，你扯犊子！你妈听不懂。你做 paragraph， 你还扯犊子说你妈在旁边。啊，我看到44点了。Alright guys, so today is right now morning. In this afternoon I'm gonna go to the New York City, but actually before like an hour after this I have to go to school first for 2 hour physical education final. It doesn't really have final, but it's like a day you can actually playing around a little bit. Okay, see that background blur right now? So basically what I'm gonna do is right now packing up all this shit, then probably go. So I'm probably gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna pack up right now. First of all, empty the backpack. GoPro, you have to bring a GoPro with you all the time. 18 to 135 millimeter lens, which is pretty important. Obviously, if you wanna film some nice shots, GoPro doesn't really get you a favor. You need something this. Oh, there is something you guys should never miss about is never travel without a drone. I did fully charge the battery before last night, so I think yeah, I can get some pretty cinematic drone shots in New York City. I hope. It's like a bunch of non-fly zone. I don't even know where can you fly this thing, so I actually never put this in my backpack before, so this is the first time. This is my setup for going to New York City. That's all the tripod, camera, 135 lens, 10 to 18, Mavic 2 controller, and the tripod. And Mavic charging cable, which is here. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, the only problem is cleaning the mess up.
Chicken or no chicken?
No chicken.
5 and 15?
And orange juice. Yeah. I'm at JFK right now, and right now it's December at New York. I'm still wearing what I'm wearing in Los Angeles. It's like freaking negative. It's almost like snowing right here. Then it's like this. All right, see you guys. Oh my goodness. See you guys. Peace.